Hi everyone, this is the video for the online fundraising that we are going to use to wrap up Kids Heart Challenge. In the email I attached a link to our fundraising page, so you can see that here. It's the East Oakview Elementary page, and what you'll need to do if you don't already have an account is click this button here to sign up. And it'll ask you if you're new or if you already have one. We have created several. So I got my login here. I actually made this one for Landry. You can see her name here. And what we will show you here is how to turn like cash donations that people have given you and put them online. So if you scroll down here, first there's a bunch of different games and stuff on here and educational stuff that your students can play. If you want to just explore this website, there's a lot of good stuff on here. But down here in the My Fundraising page, you can click here to donate to your personal page. And it'll give you lots of different options here for how you'd like to do that. So if somebody, grandma or neighbor or coworker gave you $20, you can just pocket that money or put it in your bank account and then use any one of these methods here to pull that money or put that money on electronically. So you don't have to turn that cash in. You can keep that. I mean, that's usually what I do at the end of the year is all of that cash that comes in that final week. That's something I put into a bank account, and then I use, a credit card, debit card to put that money online. And that money, instantly goes to the American Heart Association, and I get a notification that you've earned all the different prizes that come along with it. So it's a really easy way to go about doing that if somebody gives you cash. If you go up further, I know a lot of people get checks. So what we can do with checks, there's a couple different things, but you can go into this email, and instead of the check, you can contact the person who wrote the check and say, actually checks aren't going to work. We're not able to turn these in because school has been closed. So would you reconsider and do it online? So type their email. There's messages here that you can pick that you don't even have to write it. You just put in this kind of stock donation email and send it out to people. So hopefully if they gave you a $20 check, that they could then again go through the electronic donation and put that on with their credit card or debit card or some other way. If you don't have a computer, you can do all this stuff through an app. So here is like the Apple App Store. You can get the Kids Heart Challenge app, and it works much the same way. You can do the donations with a credit card. You can send emails through the app to the people who have given you checks. So this is another option that you can do right from your phone or from a tablet. And then if you really don't think this is an option for you, you can, like I said in the previous video, the school is going to be open on Monday up until 4 o'clock. So if you want to stop in to collect any belongings from the school, you can also, drop off checks in an envelope. They have to be addressed to American Heart Association. So if that's really the only way you think you can turn in donations, I will stop at the school on Monday, from 3 to 4, and I can take those and turn it in, the old-fashioned way. I can mail those out to the American Heart Association. But if you have any questions, you can email me. You can reply, email to me. But I think that's it. Thank you. It's been great so far. Down you can see our progress. We set a goal of 15,000, and we're almost at 10. So I know if for some reason, this just doesn't work out, we don't hit our goal, that's fine. It's a crazy year, so we're really not worried about it. So do your best and stay safe, and look for more information from me next week. Thank you.